they were replacing some wheels on my engine hoist. I bought it used. The wheels were kind of messed up. Finally getting around to fixing it. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any direct replacements, so I'm making these work. I'm using some Northern Tool replacement wheels. It's not necessarily the right thing. Here they are. They're just a little bit wider than what was originally on it. I cut out one of the old casters to make this template of sorts. Two of the holes will line up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bolt two of the holes up and then drill two new holes on the inside. I first tried to cut out holes into the hoist itself. It would kind of work, but at the same time I'm taking away a lot of material. So I decided to go this route, thinking that it'll be a little bit stronger. All right, now I'm gonna bolt my template of sorts to the actual new caster. See that? But now I'm just going to drill new holes. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a cheap Walmart screwdriver as a punch, because I haven't bought a punch yet. And that's what I'm going to use to start the drill. Start small and work my way up. All right, let's see if this works.
Hangs off a little bit. Definitely gonna need some washers. Had to drill out the holes, 2 of the holes, a little bit more. Didn't drill out the engine stand this time. So it now she will. I can get it with one hand. Now she will fit. It's a little tight, but I can bolt that in. All I did was I used the template. I drilled out 2 holes. It overhangs slightly, but it'll be fine. Ended up drilling out all of them but the one that I had made the mistake on originally. That it was kind of a pain. I think this is definitely the better way to go. Ended up buying one of these Harbor Freight vices. This definitely saved me. First time I was trying to do it, I didn't have anything. It was real. So now that I've drilled all the casters, I'm going to start putting them on. So the casters I ended up using were from Northern Tool. They're a 3-inch swivel steel caster. Part number 50610. So I'm finally done with this caster swap. A little bit of modification, but they turned out pretty well. I can finally move mine pretty much any direction.